Installing hubcaps might seem straightforward, but there are common mistakes people often make. Here are 10 mistakes often made. Incorrect sizing. One of the most common mistakes is buying hubcaps that are not the right size for the wheel. Always ensure that you are buying the correct size that fits your wheels. Forcing the fit. If the hubcap doesn't seem to fit, don't force it. Forcing it might damage the hubcap, the wheel, or the retention clips. Not cleaning the wheel. Before installing the hubcap, it's important to clean the wheel thoroughly. Dirt and debris can prevent the hubcap from fitting snugly and can cause rattles. Ignoring clips or retention rings. Many hubcaps come with retention rings or clips to ensure a secure fit. Skipping or improperly installing these can lead to hubcaps falling off while driving. Not checking all mounting points. Some people might push the hubcap onto one part of the wheel and assume it's secure. It's essential to check all mounting points and ensure they've all clicked into place. Using tools forcefully. While it may sometimes be helpful to use a rubber mallet to gently ensure the hubcap is in place, one should be very careful. Using too much force or using hard tools can crack or damage the hubcap. Not inspecting for damage. Before installing, it's always a good idea to inspect the hubcap for any cracks or damage. Installing a damaged hubcap can make it more likely to come off. Ignoring manufacturer instructions. If the hubcaps come with specific installation instructions, it's crucial to follow them. The manufacturer knows best how their product should be installed. Assuming all wheels are the same. Not all wheels are designed the same way. Some might have unique mounts or require special techniques for hubcap installation. Always make sure you're familiar with your wheel type and get hubcaps designed for it. Not doing regular checks. After installation, it's a good idea to occasionally check the hubcaps, especially in the first few days, to make sure they are secure. Some might loosen with the vibration of the road and could need some adjustments. For all of your hubcaps, wheel covers, wheel skins, wheel simulators, and trim rings, be sure to check out WheelCovers.com. Remember, taking the time to install hubcaps correctly will save you from potential hazards and additional costs down the road.